my name's Bethany, and as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a fun little video today. I'm in my natural hair journey bag right now. I'm experimenting and trying different styles. I did a big chop, and this is like a year and a couple months growth. I'm done with the wig, so now I'm like really trying to take care of my hair and just style it differently, do whatever I feel like, you know, and not just my big afro, because that's what I always do. I'll insert some like pictures of my hair when it's dry. If you guys want a tutorial on that, I got you with that as well. But if you're interested in, I guess, the styles that I'm gonna show you guys, then keep on watching. Just gonna add for a longer hold on the swoop. You could definitely go in with the Got2b glue. I'm just not, just for the sake of this video, because I'm gonna be changing up the style a lot. But I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is my top knot with the swoop onto the right side of my face. I do on the right side of my face because the left side of my face is my favorite side of my face. But you can obviously like switch it whichever way you want to, or you can even put like the swoop, like divide it and put it like as a middle part or whatever. But I just added some baby hairs to like spice it up a little bit. And I was gonna do a regular top knot, but I'm not here to waste nobody's time because that's literally this without the swoop. But let me know what you guys think about this. It's cute, and it gives like the, you know, it's like a free facelift. I feel like my eyes and everything is like more snatched, you know? But yeah, that's why I love top knots. Little secret. On to look number 2. Okay, so this wasn't even supposed to be look number 2, but I took down the top knot bun, played with it, and I was like, wait, this is kind of cute. And I've actually never done this hairstyle before, so I'm definitely gonna do this hairstyle after this video. But as you guys can see, the curls are less defined just because I was brushing it and everything. But if your curls are defined, a little swoop back there, like, what? This is cute. This is really cute. But let me do the actual look. This is look number 3. I'm telling you, add a claw clip to any hairstyle. It's such a girly look. Like, I don't know. Like, I just love it. And then I added a baby hair on this side. So baby hair, baby hair, baby hair. And a claw clip. So it's literally just a pony. If I take this out, that could be like literally another hairstyle if you're not into the whole claw clip thing. But I'm telling you, once you start, it's addicting. This is cute too, actually. Hold on. Okay, so this right here, is a really clean looking look. Clean, classy, like straight to the point, you know? And it really like helps you embrace your face, like, cause literally nothing is covering your face. And the old me, high school me, oh my gosh. I don't know if you saw, like when I was sculpting like the front of it, I would push this part back. And that's because the world needs to see my big forehead, okay? This is actually cute. This is actually cute. And I've done a half up, half down before, but I think I like it with like the middle being like still defined. I feel like it like spices it up a little bit. Or you can, because I don't like the way it's poofing right now because there's just no definition right now because I've been brushing it like crazy. But you can also make this into a bun. Literally just have fun with your hair. Cut it if you want to, dye it if you want to. Do whatever. This is adorable. The one before this was a more classy, you know, real ladylike. Like going to a business meeting ladylike. And then this one is like, I don't know, what does this one give? I don't know. This one is just like running errands or something, I don't know, but really cute. I actually really like it. So it's just in a bun now. Or for my claw clip girlies, the claw clip. And then when your hair dries, like it'll be cuter because now it's like, it's just sitting there doing nothing. Okay, so personally, hairstyles like these aren't like my thing. I think they're really cute. I don't know. I don't know if it's because I've just never done it, but it's actually not bad. It's not bad. So you can literally just do like this. Actually, it's kind of cute. Maybe I'm onto something. I don't know. But yeah, you can literally wear it like this. Or you can do space buns and you literally just make the ponytail into a little bun. Like, it's like adorable. And then like with your face beat, your outfit on, obviously like the outfit matters too. I kind of like this bun, the messier one. This one is too like serious, but you get what it's supposed to be. I don't know, I feel like because it's a fun hairstyle, like it's supposed to be like, you know, a little messy, a little funky. But yeah, so literally you can do the 2 low ponies or 2 buns. And there's like, I just gave y'all like how many hairstyles. And give myself too, because I haven't tried some of these and it's looking nice, okay? So it's literally just straight down the middle. If my middle part or like my part isn't straight, just ignore that. But it's literally just straight down the middle. And then 2 low ponies. You can literally do high ponies wherever you want the ponies to be, and you just make it a bun. Okay, so I hope you guys have been enjoying them so far. This is the last one, and it's pretty similar to the first one actually. It's literally a high ponytail with a swoop. So instead of the bun, literally just a swoop. But let me know which one was your favorite. I actually really had so much fun making this, and like through like experimenting and stuff, like I found some new hairstyles and I'm happy. But yeah, let me just get right to it and show you guys the last look. Okay, so I hate that you guys can't see like the beauty in this hairstyle because it's really like at its peak when the hair is defined at the top, like the ponytail part, and also when it's dry. Like my hair is still wet and it's obviously less defined because I played with it so much. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is your favorite. Honestly, I think this one might be my favorite. But yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me in terms of like beauty, just lifestyle, anything you want, I will give you, I think. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you and I hope you love me too. And I'll see you guys next time.